Tired of missing calls and losing potential sales opportunities? Let me introduce you to Dialora, your 24/7 AI voice agent. Reason 1. Never miss a call, even after business hours. Dialora answers every call, day or night, instantly. No more frustrated customers leaving voicemails and hanging up. Your business stays open, even while you sleep. Reason 2. Turn missed calls into booked appointments automatically. Dialora doesn't just answer, it schedules appointments for you. Imagine waking up to a calendar full of new bookings. No more chasing leads or playing phone tag. Reason 3. Automate customer interactions for more sales. Dialora qualifies leads, answers questions, and closes deals. Your sales funnel runs smoothly without manual effort. Boost your team's productivity and focus on hot leads. Let's talk about the user-friendly interface. Dialora integrates seamlessly with your favorite CRM tools. Setup is quick. Launch your AI agent in minutes. No technical skills required. Anyone can get started easily. The intuitive dashboard makes managing calls a breeze. Monitor real-time performance metrics and customer mood tracking. See exactly how your AI agent is performing anytime. Get conversation insights and comprehensive call history instantly. Optimize your team's workflow with actionable analytics. Dialora is perfect for sales, healthcare, HR, and support teams. Deploy specialized virtual assistants for any industry you need. Scale your business without hiring more staff. Save money and boost efficiency with AI automation. Real-time transcription keeps you in the loop on every call. Never miss important details from customer conversations. Track conversions and measure campaign effectiveness with ease. Dialora's analytics help you make smarter business decisions. Stay ahead of competitors by responding to every inquiry instantly. Customers love fast, reliable communication. Dialora delivers. No more long hold times or missed opportunities. Your brand reputation improves with every answered call. Dialora adapts to your business needs as you grow. Customize your AI agent for different customer scenarios. Handle high call volumes effortlessly, even during peak hours. Reduce agent burnout and improve team morale. Focus on complex tasks while Dialora handles routine calls. Boost customer satisfaction with instant, accurate responses. Dialora's AI learns and improves with every interaction. Your customers get smarter, more helpful answers over time. Easily review and manage all call data in one place. Stay organized and never lose track of important leads. Dialora supports multiple industries and business sizes. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, Dialora fits. Get started without disrupting your current workflow. Integrate with your existing tools for maximum efficiency. Dialora is secure, reliable, and always available. Your data is protected with enterprise-grade security standards. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your calls are handled professionally. Ready to see Dialora in action for your business? Imagine never missing another sales call again. Picture your calendar filling up with new appointments automatically. Think about the time you'll save on routine customer calls. Visualize your team focusing on high-value tasks, not busy work. Dialora makes all of this possible, starting today. Don't let another opportunity slip through the cracks. Join thousands of businesses already automating with Dialora. Boost your sales, improve customer satisfaction, and grow faster. Ready to take your business to the next level? Click the link to learn more and start your free trial. Experience the power of 24/7 AI voice agents firsthand. See how easy it is to automate your calls and bookings. Don't wait. Your competitors are already upgrading their call system. Stay ahead of the curve with Dialora's advanced AI technology. Transform your missed calls into closed deals effortlessly. Automate, optimize, and grow. Dialora is your secret weapon. Try Dialora now and never miss a call again.